All right, we're here on the job site of Diop Studios. We've got Amir and Brendan.
Be very quiet.
Be very quiet. No, you guys are doing this like 150 foot, is that right?
About, yeah, I think it's about 150 feet long.
This huge mural at PS 297, the Stockton School.
In BedStuy.
In BedStuy.
Beautiful
Brooklyn.
day.
Beautiful day. All right,
Warm.
dudes. So this is very much in process. Would you say you're like halfway done?
And so the process of it, you can see that certain parts are unfinished patterns, but certain parts are finished patterns.
Beautiful.
And you said something about binary code?
Yes, yeah, I utilize binary code because I also utilize digital aspects within my work. There will be a digital aspect within this mural that we will see later on. But
Ooh, it's a secret reveal. Okay,
secret
yeah.
reveal.
I was hearing about it earlier. It's very exciting. It's
Yes.
very
Yes.
super
Got some
cool.
new high-tech mural
High-tech.
coming at you. I have to talk to Amir about the full theme, but basically it's using education to follow your dreams, reach the stars. So you have the educators, the
Oh, that's
story.
beautiful, man.
That
and-
is beautiful.
Yeah.
Love it. And you know what? This is gonna last forever. This
Yeah,
mural. You
and it
liking
was
the
done
paint?
under like the contract, like the
love
MTA, where this is like long term. It should be up for 50 years or however
Awesome.
long, you know.
And I promise you, the paint will last that long.
And we could not have done this without your paint.
Aw.
yes, that is
Thank
100%.
That's a fact. It's the only place to get paint that's like this.
It's affordable too. That's the big thing.
You know, you got a point there.
it's
Yeah.
very affordable.
I always forget to kind of push that.
Yeah,
but
it's very, very-
Yeah, we have a
high
friend that just
quality
did a
and
mural that's not this large and spent more than twice as much as what we.
Wow,
Yeah.
that's interesting.
Yeah, so this makes doing larger murals a lot more accessible. Like
Not marketing
we'll
forward.
continue to blast you out because
Yeah.
as we're trying to do like a campaign to bring back beauty and like tangible, physical artwork.
So
and
nice.
I
all
think
this,
it's important.
Everything's
Yes,
a
I
vinyl
think
wrap
it's so
and printed and everything's built for 30 years and
Yeah.
I don't know, like just aesthetics has been a top-down thing that I feel like the tastemakers of society have used to kind of crush spirits.
Wow,
It's happened for what, 100 years
it's
now.
intense.
You know, so we feel like we're in a fight against the maniacal blandness of
We are also in
government-
that fight.
of
I love
government
that.
architecture.
I love that
that's,
fight.
Everything's just built to code and utilitarian
No
and
imagination.
Yes.
no thought for the human spirit.
Yeah.
Yeah, that drives me crazy.
And that's what we're trying to fight against. And like for companies like you, we would like look at you like you're part of that fight.
As well.
We
we'll
definitely
blast-
are.
we'll
It's
blast
war
you out.
paint, man.
Yeah.
Guerra.
That's what I'm saying because this makes it acceptable. Like really, we'll tell everybody that we know.
Oh, and it's like to know that this is going to last for years and
Yeah.
tens of hundreds of years.
We worked with them to make sure they were buying the super most top-notch, most light-fast pigments. And you're liking adding the pigment yourself?
Oh, I love adding.
It gives you more control.
It does. It does. To be quite honest with you, being able to mix the pigments for me has totally changed everything that I've done with my art previously. Most of the times it just comes out what you want, but actually having the mix, you get the tone you want. You get the exact tone you want without having to add too much of
You get the feeling.
yeah, and you also get the feeling, and then also it's like you start from blank. With that Silica Flat, you start from absolutely blank, and you can get exactly what you need.
You build up from there. Yeah.
Exactly.
From a
For those painters out there, you'll know what I'm talking about. It's perfect viscosity for a roller or a brush.
Yes.
It's unbelievable, and there's many additives that you can do whatever you want with the paint, but
Oh my gosh.
the main thing is
Isn't that-
it comes out of the bucket perfect for both brushing on and rolling on.
That's-
It makes it
that's
so
cool.
Yeah.
convenient.
Thanks for
Utilizing,
saying
yeah.
that.
yeah, and utilizing
Cool.
the thickeners as well. It
Yeah, we've
actually,
done thickener as well.
yeah,
sometimes.
specifically with these ones and zeros in here,
Mm.
I utilize the thickener so it is able to really keep
Kinda
that
stand up. Yeah.
and be popping out a bit,
Mm-hmm.
so it looks like it has more
And it
texture.
does.
Yeah.
Yeah.
That does that.
It-
Well, geez, guys, thanks for all these words, and thanks for this beautiful job you're doing. 'cause
Yeah, thanks
this
for
is
the paint, honestly. Like, we couldn't, like I said, I thought when I couldn't find your store anymore, I thought I wasn't going to be able to do the business model that I thought, that I had in my imagination.
Yeah.
It's come to life, here it is, and it's in Amir's dream, and it's like, thank you.
This is
actually,
awesome.